Hey guys, I know I have been very late, very late on my burping vids. I just haven't had the time. My mom's away for a week, so I should make like, I think 2 more burping videos if I want to. Alright, we're good. Please like and subscribe. I love burping for you guys. I don't know why, I'm weird. Oh, new update, I guess. Oh. Hold on. That's a second. How do I enter a lobby? Do I have to enter a lobby through a computer? Oh, no. Yo, red, wait, red, oh, black. Nice! Nice!
Nice! You monkey! Guys, what do you voted for? Say what I voted for. No. No.
What'd you say?
And I said no. I said no. Well, that was a random.
Shut up.
Get away from me, black monkey.
Yeah.
I don't like you. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
That was just a warm up. Alright, we're good now. Yo, wait. Come here. My bad about that noise. It was him. Hey, it was him.
Bro, everyone on the side can hear you, bro. You don't try. What do you mean, Ethan?
My grandma.
Bro, put too much strawberries, chocolate fountain. God.
No, I only ate my grandma. That's it, man. Chill.
What the hell? You're glad. Leave.
No, just because you said that, I'm not gonna leave. I'm gonna tickle you. Hey, wait. Come here.
Calling for your
No, I'm not gonna burp, I swear.
Are you gonna? I can't take my head off anymore.
Yo, pink.
You know, take
Pink.
stuff off. to go to the tutorial.
Love you, Pookie. Yeah, I do. All you got, All you gotta do is, yeah, I know how to. You just do this to someone. That's what you do.
Yeah, take my blue mask off.
Eh.
Because now can you take off little boy?
What did you just call me? Silence.
Somebody know a doctor, I broke my hand. Oh wait, I think I know how to take off stuff. I know how to take
Silence. Make.
Hey, pink. Hey, blue. What's blue? Shut up.
Silence.
Do you know a doctor? I broke my hand. You're going like that.
Now, Mickey, I got something to say to you. You shut up.
I'm pushing the button.
Yo, Gray. Gray, my bad. Gray.
You're doing cool.
Gray.
Yeah, I will. No, I can because user because
Right now.
and I'm in the thick of it. And
That was loud. Let's go. That was so loud.
no.
Nah, come here, Pookie. Come here, Pookie.
Yeah, Mom. It's working. I already tried, okay? Yeah, you tried.
Ava.
who's bothering?
Oh wait, I did it. And
Yo, red, wait. Red, wait. My bad. That was long.
I could do better though.
Mom,
Hold up.
Mom.
Do it. I can do it way louder.
No, I need to tell you something.
Beat this, huh?
I took out everything and then I still on my head or my bottom.
Guys, my Oculus is
I don't have my fire head.
Stop it. Get hold up.
How do you go on?
Mid.
Alright, you win. Got a mic?
Wanna be my friend?
Yo, what's up? How's it going?
Wants the card. Wants the card.
And then
Why are you trying to tune my game if you're trying to like bring me down like that and try to talk smack? Why?
oh, okay.
Yo,
I couldn't do it for a second.
10.
Whole thing.
Yummy.
Because 30
That's crazy. Nick 830 is crazy.
So if you do want to buy it, you have to press this and then press this. And then you have to
Oh, yummy.
Oh, sir, just come on. Like this kid's and then you have to press this with it on. What's up, my segment?
Yo, gorilla. Yo, guy, bro. Top hat. Guy with the top hat. I'm really sad. Could I get a hug? Thank you. Get fooled. You know what? I'm not gonna take that seriously. Yummy. Oh, yummers. That's so yum. I got a gun, man. I did not eat good. Whew. That's crazy. Yo, Blue.
Yeah.
I'm not having a good day. Can I have a hug? Thank you.
Paradise. Is that dog or is it animal species? Don't burp again. Hey, come on.
No, you don't tell me to come back to crap.
Kick me then. Come on. I want that. Kick me. Kick us.
I'm just joking. I'm not a hacker.
This is literally in real life. In real life. Yeah. This is in real life.
Oh.
I can do the same.
Yo, Gray, could I have a hug? Thank you. Puny! You should be ashamed of yourself. No, go! Get out of here! Get out of here! You should be ashamed.
I've been beaten.
I burp literally everyone. Wait away. Probably because I burp a lot, but where do we still go, dude? Where do we? Is there a new badge? There is, and I'm sorry. I don't have it on.
Dude, I actually love this.
You like it?
I like it.
What's that?
It's really, actually
It's
really
a game for consumers.
What should I buy? What should I buy? Like, come in. What should I buy? I've got 2,200
Yummy.
What should I buy? 300?
Yo, cowboy outfit. Could I get a hug? Could I get a hug? Thank you. That's probably like, what the heck? Cat ear, could I could just. Hi, hacker.
You know what? Something that is more.
Then I'm not modding. I'm just glitching, man. Dude, trust me, I'm just using the body monkey sprunky runky glitch, alright?
You know what? Come here. If you're not hacking, then give me a hug.
I
Yo,
got it,
let me check leaderboard.
Okay, seriously, I'm not modding. Because if I were modding and I did this, I would have been enabling like a bunch of random mods.
Yay, green.
Are you not getting the point? I'm trying to burp in your face.
Yay!
I'm not hacking! Oh my god!
It's purple now. Oh boy, But if you could buy shiny rocks, I would say buy this.
There's a person out there that's trying to.
Oh my god.
Pookie Bear. I'm not family friendly, Brody.
Let's see, where is this?
That's not very nice. I'm reporting you. I'm reporting you.
Yeah, I reported you for toxic. Looking in my face, you tick.
I never was being toxic.
Oh my.
You were not wrong. I can just use this to change my color.
No way. I know how to draw.
Whew,
My friend,
nasty, bro. I'm widowy so nasty. Yo, top hat, Cyan. Cyan with top hat. Cyan with top hat. Cyan with top hat.
Hey, Cyan. Cyan. I can change my color code.
I can just only make it.
How did you get that? But do they didn't do that. The black gorilla on you.
And you just
My bad. I ate my grandma, man. I ate my grandma. I'm sorry.
really hard to work with it.
Like
though.
this? That's how long your arms are. If you put grandma's doing a back.
Hold your straps on your controller. How long your arms are.
Oh,
Wait, no,
this is
I need to.
Rule number 121. Like, yes.
Let's go. I got tippy toes now. Because I'm go into
Excuse
AFK
you.
mode.
No, not excuse me. You don't tell me to excuse myself.
I'm about to go into AFK mode. Here's
Yeah, they're
AFK.
almost 10 to.
Oh.
Everyone, come to Storm. Come inside of Storm. Everyone.
Oh.
Dude,
Oh,
ew.
you're not burping.
I ate my grandma. What do you expect?
Stop.
Me passing gas? Heck no.
Oh, it looks so
I
ugly.
don't do farts. I do burps, man. Freak you.
Ew, your breath stank. Look,
I ate my grandma. What do you expect? My breath to smell like mints?
Yes, it is expected to smell like this.
Well, freak you.
Oh, frick you.
Freak you, man. Yo, bro. Ooh, that was a big one. Big and thick one too. I'm a what? Yo, can I have a smoke? Can I have a smoke real quick?
No, this one actually.
Yo, wait, can I have a smoke? Can I smoke your cigar real quick?
Okay.
Sure I will. Right here.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, I'm gonna have
thank you.
everything.
Good.
The LGBTQ plus equals 9 community is delusional. You're put into this world with reproductive parts.
Shut up,
Use
gay
those
man.
act according to those reproductive parts.
Yeah, maybe it's green.
You're causing the global warming. You're causing global warming with those births. of
No,
yours.
your mom did.
No, your mom did.
You already said I did. You can't change your mind about that, little buddy. Now can you?
Nope,
Now
you
you're
got-
just
you
making
got
up
your-
things.
You got your genes from your mom, which gave you the stinky breath.
Huh? what? Anyways.
Why are you chasing after
I
me?
would actually like some more. I would actually like some more.
Moderator. Why are you a moderator? Moderator. Ka.
Oh, that was.
Hey, dude, come here.
Why the hell, bro? Burping like he's on Mountain
Big, so disgusting.
I ate my grandma.
Stop burping on
I ate
Mountain
my
Dew,
grandma,
buddy. It's
man.
not that serious.
I ate my grandma.
Oh, you ate your grandma like that freaking crab from Moana?
Reed, you're so
Whoever burps first is gay.
Dude, Reed, you're so disgusting. Again.
What? Whew, I ate up a hot chili dog and my grandma, bro. That'd be insane. That'd be going. What?
What are you in?
I'm in casual, man.
Heck yeah. I'm tripped out now.
Anyways. Yummy. Yummers.
Dude, I got a question.
Hey, who said that? I'm gonna burp in your face. Whoever said that?
Wanna join Ghost Show to me?
What's your point? It's Christmas.
I can't eat the burps, bro.
I know. I really want you to. Dude, come here. Me.
Bill Cipher? Wait, is that Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls? No, that isn't. Oh. No.
Just in cosmetic.
Thank God, because that is just not
Oh,
right. What do I
that's so cute.
Please.
God, you have to come with
I
me.
mean, it is pretty cute though.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, man, let's see here. Thank you.
Oh, my room smells now. My room smells from all the burps.
I'm telling you.
Oh, that smells horrible.
Wait, Green, where you going? Hey, do you want to know how to get voice chat?
What is this? You don't want to
I'm gonna leave the lobby. See you, bud.
Malls close in 22 hours. If you could
Yeah.
time travel, would you?
I need candy. Look, I changed all.
Yeah, who burped, bro? Actually, who burped? Like, bro.
Rainbow.
Little delay.
Look at it.
Hang on.
Okay, this is weird.
You stink.
I ate my grandma.
Why did my
I ate my grandma. Now I'm gonna eat you.
why did my
You made me. Headset literally told me to. You do it.
literally nothing new about this?
Bro, I've been holding a fashion since 1950.
My headset literally update this game for no reason. It's literally the same. Literally the same. People changing colors of the ring.
Whoa, that was a nice one.
You're so
Oh, that smells like cheese and garlic.
Oh, it tricks you. Yes. Oh, that's so cool.
It's right over here. She's gonna be in this vase. I think. Vase? What? What? What vase is gonna be in this vase?
Oh.
You're wrestling.
Does anybody know that Just Eat song? Does anybody know that Just Eat song? Did somebody say Just Eat? Yeah.
Duh, I'm dizzy now.
So just do it.
Oh my gosh. But guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys want more, then I'll probably make more this week. Still a little left in me. Sorry. Anyways, see you guys later. Comment down if you liked it or not. And at least I got one girl. So, see you guys later. Bye.